cheerleading dance, so I hope you enjoy it and please comment. Little cheerleaders. And you know I want you tonight, I want you to stay, I want you tonight, let's do it tonight, I want you tonight, I want you to stay, dance, 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 let me introduce you to my party people in the club, don't be confused now, cause we're a lose, yeah, don't be confused now, cause we're a lose, yeah, yeah, now pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break a sweat on the floor. We work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, keep it moving. Put your drinks up, put your drinks up. Drop your body, drop it on the floor.
Yeah, it's a hit.
On the floor. Can you get out? Give me everything that I.
Is that it?
No. Don't be confused now, cause we're losing. Don't be confused now, cause we're losing. Yeah, now pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. If you go up, you gotta get